Every vehicle that Mazda builds is shaped by our human-centric design approach. The intention is to create a strong connection between the driver and their vehicle, enhancing their sense of control in the process. One of the ways in which we set out to do this with CX90 is the available driver personalization system. The first time you set up your profile, you enter your height. CX90 uses that to determine the best position for your seat, steering wheel, heads-up display, and side view mirrors. Once you've set up your profile, the system will use facial recognition every time you get back into the vehicle to identify you, restoring your settings as it does. The system can also store more than 250 personalized settings, such as radio and climate control presets. That's important when there are multiple people driving your vehicle. Every time you get in and out of your vehicle, it moves the seat back and the electrically adjustable steering column up and out of the way to make it easier to get in and out of your vehicle. Ultimately, it makes it easier for you to achieve and maintain your ideal seating position, enhancing the CX90 ownership experience in the process. With multiple drivers in my household, this is a feature I personally appreciate.